Welcome back to Shocking Discoveries, now in our 4th season, only on the Electrical Channel. Today, in a Shocking Discoveries exclusive, our team has invented a camera so small it can fit into an electrical wire and follow an individual electron through a circuit. Today, you will be learning about the story of Jack the Electron.
The first component that Jack is going to reach on his long journey is the switch. The switch dictates whether or not energy is going to flow through the system or not. When the switch is open, as shown here, it breaks the circuit, not allowing any electricity to flow through the system. When the switch is closed, it allows energy to flow through the circuit, allowing the rest of the journey to happen.
The next component to which our friend Jack will arrive is the simple transformer. Now, straight off of that switch, Jack is coming straight from the main generator. He has got a lot of voltage behind him, but not much current to speak of, which is not what he's going to need to power the various devices he might find on his way. So, through a series of windings, Jack is going to go from this high voltage but low current state to a lower voltage, more reasonable voltage, but one that can put some serious load into with a higher current available. With power flow at a reasonable current and a reasonable voltage, Jack will now arrive at the power distribution box, where he has a variety of potential sub-circuits to flow into. We're going to follow him through one specific one. The final component in Jack the Electron circuit is the induction motor. But to understand how an induction motor works, we need to talk a little bit about three-phase power. Now, in three-phase power, we have 3 separate lines of voltage, and each of those lines is running in their sinusoidal waves 120 degrees apart from each other. What that allows us to do is achieve full power rather than twice per cycle, 6 times per cycle, and we can apply that, remember they're 120 degrees apart, in the shape of a triangle around a rotor. The way an induction motor works is having 3 separate windings, which are 120 degrees out of phase, and that way, as each phase, one of which is connected to each of these, achieves its full power, this is charged, creating an electromagnetic field that pulls permanent magnets in this rotor towards it. In that triangular sequence, as this achieves full power, this loses it. 120 degrees after that, this would achieve full power, this would lose it, and it's pulled, the whole thing is pulled in a circle. And with that, our circuit is complete. We hope you liked today's episode of Shocking Discoveries. Tune in next week when we discuss ground fault circuit interrupters. Are they right for you?